For decades, the world's best investors relied on experience and intuition. But today, artificial intelligence can process more data in a single second than any human could in a lifetime. So the question is, can AI actually beat human investors? This is not just a debate for Wall Street. Around the world, trillions of dollars are managed by pension funds, banks, hedge funds, retirement accounts, and everyday investors. Every decision can affect real lives, a family's savings, a worker's retirement, a company's future. And now, artificial intelligence is moving deeper into finance, scanning markets, reading news, modeling risk, and helping institutions make faster decisions than ever before. The strongest argument for AI is simple: markets are built on information, and AI is incredibly good at processing information. Unlike humans, AI does not panic after a market crash. It does not get greedy during a bubble. It does not fall in love with a company, chase a trend because everyone else is, or hold on to a bad decision because of pride. An AI system can analyze earnings reports, economic data, price movements, news sentiment, supply chains, interest rates, and market correlations all at once. It can spot patterns buried inside millions of data points: a shift in consumer behavior, a change in language during an earnings call, or a connection between oil prices, shipping costs, and retail margins. To a human, that might look like noise. To a machine, it might look like a signal. That speed is powerful. In some areas of trading, milliseconds matter. And in that world, no human can compete with an algorithm. But investing is not only math. Markets are also shaped by politics, psychology, culture, regulation, fear, ambition, and trust. These are areas where humans still have major advantages. A human investor can understand context. They can ask whether a business model is sustainable, whether a management team is credible, or whether a technology is truly useful. They can make ethical judgments. They can adapt when the world changes in ways no dataset predicted. Some of history's most successful investors built their records not by reacting faster, but by thinking longer. They studied companies deeply, ignored short-term noise, and stayed patient when markets became emotional. That kind of judgment is difficult to automate. AI can identify patterns from the past. But humans are often better at asking whether the future will look different. So what does the evidence suggest? AI is already widely used by hedge funds, banks, trading firms, and asset managers. It helps detect risk, generate forecasts, monitor portfolios, and search for opportunities across global markets. But in many cases, humans still supervise the final decisions. Why? Because financial markets are complex adaptive systems. When too many people use similar models, the models themselves can change the market. And when something unprecedented happens, even the most advanced system can struggle. That is why the most promising approach may not be replacing humans completely. It may be combining machine intelligence with human judgment. AI can process the data. Humans can challenge the assumptions. AI can find patterns. Humans can evaluate meaning. The future may not be AI versus humans. It may be AI working alongside humans. In the years ahead, AI investing tools will likely become more mainstream. Not just for major financial institutions, but for ordinary people who want better access to financial information. AI assistants could explain risks, summarize earnings reports, compare market scenarios, and help users understand complicated topics in plain English. That could democratize financial intelligence. But accessibility also creates responsibility. Better tools do not guarantee better decisions. Investors still need education, skepticism, and clear boundaries. AI may change investing forever, but it will not remove uncertainty. If you had to choose, would you trust an experienced investor or an AI system with your money? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more documentaries on AI, money, and the future, subscribe.